Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to set caption text size to small in Google Chrome on your phone. If you've ever found captions appearing a bit too large and want a sleeker look that doesn't take up as much screen space, this guide will show you exactly how to make the change in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This is also known as the menu button. From there, you'll see a list of options. Go ahead and select Settings. This is where you can adjust how Chrome behaves to fit your personal preferences. Next, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility features are designed to give you more control over how content is displayed, and this is where captions can be customized to suit your needs. Within the Accessibility menu, tap on Captions. This is where Chrome gives you the option to adjust how captions appear when they're available. Now tap Caption Size and Style. This takes you to the area where you can modify how captions look on your screen, including their size and appearance. When you're in this menu, select Text Size. You'll see different size options, such as large, medium, and small. Go ahead and tap Small. This will set the caption text size to the smallest option available, giving you a more compact look while you browse and watch content that supports captions. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've adjusted the caption text size in Google Chrome to small. This change will help captions stay visible without taking up too much of your screen. Remember, you can always return to these settings at any time if you want to adjust the text size again or tweak other styling options. Thanks for watching.